Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Hope you're all having an excellent day. Mine has been great. Today I'm going to do a little review on the Porter Cable circular saw. It's battery operated, it's cordless, 20 volt lithium. I just got it off of Amazon. You can get it for $50 on Amazon. Oh wait, no, I think it was like $40 on Amazon and $50 at Lowe's. So I got $10 off if you ordered on Amazon Prime. But here it is. It's a very nice saw. Cuts very good. Got a little Allen wrench to adjust the blade right there. As you can tell, I've used this a lot. I'm actually working on building a clubhouse for someone, and this is all I've used is this, just to cut everything. It's cutting everything awesome. But yeah. So I'm gonna show it in action. So I'll show it in action in a little bit, but let me put this down real quick. Yeah, I really need a tripod or something. If you do this lever, that will allow that to move up and down for different angles. And then if you undo this, you can go side to side for different angles. It's got a little gauge on there for different angles and things. But this is my old one. This is what I used to use. It's like a Black & Decker Firestorm. It's awful. Probably just because of the battery. It's 18 volts non-lithium. This is 20 volts lithium. And these batteries will last days without dying on you. So those only last like an hour or so. But I'll do a comparison test for this one and then for that one. This one cuts a lot better. I can go ahead and tell you. I'm going to put my safety goggles on. Okay, and then one thing I forgot to mention, this makes it kind of difficult because it's got these things. I know that right there, that line, this little hole right where my thumb is, that's where your blade is, so that's what you want to guide by. This makes it a little more easier. It's got like a little arrow and then an indentation, but still this is way better. Anyway, so this is just some scrap wood I'm going to cut. Watch how fast. Okay. I gotta put a different clamp on here. 1 second. Yeah, that was a fail. Ugh. 1 second. Oh. It's about time to invest in some new clamps. Wanting to slip off for some reason. There we go. Maybe. No, this was a fail. I'm gonna have to edit this part out. That should work. Okay. This should be a little better. Alright. Use a different. Okay, ready. I saw how clean that cut and how fast it cut. Okay. So that was with the Porter Cable. Now for this thing. It's so heavy, dude. Didn't cut very clean. It deburred. Made all these little splinter looking things. And it cut very slowly. Again, I'll do it one more time just to show you that how slow it cuts. So that was that. So as you can tell, that is much faster. So we'll get rid of that. But yeah, so that was the Porter Cable jigsaw, or circular saw. I'm about to do a jigsaw review too. I've got a jigsaw. But yeah, so I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I've got an Instagram. I'll write it right here for you. It'll also be in the description, but here it is. Cooper's Shop. I think. If not, it'll also be in the description, so look there too. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Go follow my Instagram. I post behind the scenes things. And yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.